Let's go make some money. We're heading to my most exciting machine that I am most excited about because I have the card reader up there and I've been noticing that they have been using their cards a lot and I've seen the cash. It looks good. I'm gonna have to replace some items, but first stop is probably my best selling machine.
Let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone when everybody.
Hi. Do you want something from here? Oh, okay.
Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya.
I would say that that was a pretty good pull. Gosh, I hope I'm over $100. I would really like $100 in cash and then my credit card sales. So we're gonna go over to my slow location for my vending machine. We're not gonna go to my third vending machine today because it's all the way in Norfolk. Well, I might stop by tonight, but I'm supposed to go to Norfolk really late today. Norfolk's about a 40-minute drive, but there's gonna be traffic. So I might go today, I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I do, but like I said, that place was down for a good week or two in sales because the machine wasn't working, and then Thanksgiving came, so none of my machines were touched for Thanksgiving because everybody was off for the holidays. So I don't know if I'll go. I might not. I might just do these 4 machines today and then do another collection video on that place. So on to the slow location. Time for the Gumball machines. Let's see how much passive income this has given me. I consider Gumball machines passive income because I don't have to go keep on checking on those machines. I have no idea if that amount of quarters is pretty good for 1 month, so we're gonna head to the last location. When you pull up to your Gumball location, oh no! If you play with it, it comes out.
Yeah, and sometimes a lot will come out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so I might have to come back tomorrow to take it out and put an instrument inside of it. It's just that the hole is too big.
Oh, okay.
I just have to set up the settings up there. It's dark out now. I can guarantee you that the people in there and the kids in there are definitely stealing from the machine. They know that if you just jiggle it without even putting any money in it. What is going on here? Got a shadow. Without even putting money in it, you'll get free M&Ms. So most of the M&Ms is almost gone. So I'm just going to write that off as a loss. And I'm going to go back tomorrow to Sam's Club and get some gumballs to put in there. Because it's obviously a gumball mechanism. And I knew that putting it there, but I was hoping that it wasn't. Remember, this was my first time. And I should have went back to check it like I did the other one. But I didn't. So hard lesson, right? Hard lesson to learn. And don't get it wrong, I'm not blaming them for doing what they did. I would do that too. If I knew that I could get free candy without putting money in, I would do it too. But I feel like the people who work there should know better. But I'm not blaming them, okay? Okay, I'm not blaming them. I would do the same thing. But I'm gonna fix it mañana. What's up? Okay, so I am back in my house and it is very dark and I have to hurry up because I need to go to Virginia Beach to drop off my key to my cat babysitter because I'm leaving for Hawaii this Sunday and today's Friday. So I'm gonna wrap this up really quick. We are finally doing the money counting collecting video. I am kind of sour about one of these, but I'm kind of happy about another one. Look at the green. First place, Service Pro. So we're gonna start off with the cash and then I'm gonna tell you guys what I got for my credit card machine. So keep in mind the credit card machine was not up for a whole month. It was only up for a few, like 2 weeks or so. So keep that in mind. Oh, my battery's about to die. Basically that took way longer than I thought it would and it was way harder than I thought, but I did figure out a really easier way to get the money into here, which is placing it on it and just throwing it in and then picking it up and then closing it. Yeah, I'm slow. Never had to roll quarters, dimes, or nickels before, so don't at me, okay? Do not at me, okay? Everyone uses credit cards, not cash. But you guys, look at all of this. So the grand total, we even have a $5 bill from the slow location. The slow location is very slow for the full line machine. I think eventually I'm gonna sell it to someone, or I don't know, maybe put a credit card machine up there because it is extremely slow. It did a total of $61.50 in cash. It doesn't have a credit card machine on it, and I don't know if I want to invest in a credit card machine for that place if it truly is that slow. I don't know. My best place did a whopping $138.60 in cash and credit card sales. My slow place did $2.25. I'm going to go and change out the stuff in there so they can't keep stealing. And my nail place that someone said nail salons don't do very well, it did $15.46 in 1 month. Seriously, guys. So it was a really good month. Grand total of $207.81. So I'm going to do a better money counting vlog next time. The only reason why I'm not doing so well is because my camera has died on me 2 times now and it's still blinking. So I have to go pack for Hawaii and get my cat babysitter my key. I hope you guys enjoy. It's not a lot, but I don't expect to be on top of the world for my first collection. And I still have that other collection video to do in Norfolk. So we'll see how that one does. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks.